In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Outlook password pop-up issue. If Outlook keeps asking for your password even after you've entered it, this walkthrough will help you stop those repeated prompts and get back to work. Start by opening the desktop version of Microsoft Outlook on your computer. This process is specifically for the full Outlook app, not the web version. With Outlook open, go to the File menu in the main toolbar. This is where Outlook stores account and profile controls that affect how your mailbox signs in. In the File view, choose Account Settings, then select Manage Profiles. A new window will appear. Click Email Accounts to open your account list. This brings you to the place where your account's sign-in and server settings are stored. Find your email account in the list and double-click it to open its details. In this window, look for an option called Require Logon using Secure Password Authentication, sometimes abbreviated as SPA. Make sure this box is not selected. SPA is a special authentication method that most email providers do not use. If it's turned on when your provider doesn't support it, Outlook can get stuck asking for your password over and over. Next, click More Settings. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Open the Outgoing Server tab. Here, you may see references to secure password authentication for sending mail. If that option appears grayed out, that simply means it isn't currently selected. In many cases, having SPA or the wrong outgoing authentication method can be the reason for the persistent password prompt. To ensure Outlook authenticates correctly, select Use Same Settings as my incoming mail server and make sure this option is enabled. This tells Outlook to use your normal email username and password for sending mail to, which is what most providers expect. When you're done, click OK to save your changes and then apply or close the remaining windows to return to Outlook. At this point, the password pop-up issue should be resolved. These adjustments remove an incompatible authentication requirement and align your incoming and outgoing sign-in methods, which typically stops the loop of Outlook asking for credentials. If you still see prompts, double-check that the secure password authentication boxes remain unchecked and that the Use Same Settings option is selected. Some organizations have custom requirements, so if your email provider specifically instructs you to use SPA, follow their guidance. Otherwise, the settings you just applied are the recommended defaults. Let us know in the comments if this helped you, and thanks for watching.